Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, lane departure warning, power steering, aluminum wheels, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, rear wheel drive, tires, front all season, sunroof power tilt sliding electric. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.